Authentic, I guess. Authentic says, is Coursera certificates from IBM and Stanford legit and have weight in the market? And with its applications and projects and not only studies. Authentic, you know, on the whole, I'm going to say that they carry very little weight. There's two reasons I say that. One, as a hiring manager, I've never hired somebody just because of their certs, right? I'm never just going to say, oh, there's a Coursera cert. Let's hire this guy. And two, when I work one-on-one with clients, I advise them to put all their certs at the bottom of their resume. No matter what the certificate is, I don't care. Put those at the end, right? So in a lot of situations, like a lot of situations, your certificate, your certs may not even get read by the hiring manager, or by the initial screen of whether they're going to call you for an interview or not. So on the whole, I don't think they're extremely helpful. There's no harm in getting them. Like if you want to just for fun, or you have a, you know, I know that some companies give free Coursera access or whatever. Sure, go for it. But is it going to be like some amazing change to your career? I'm not going to be one of these stupid idiot influencers that tells you that Coursera is the unlock to your career, man. You're just not taking the right course, and you got to take Coursera to unlock the career. That's dumb, right? That's definitely not going to. So that's what I would tell you, authentic. That like there's no harm in them, but I wouldn't be like, oh man, as soon as I get this cert, things are going to change. I wouldn't say that. Ilias says not Thursday. Yes, I know. We've established it's Friday, Ilias. Ilias, you're a weird dude. You're a weird dude, guy. Authentic says thanks. What about internships and trainerships? Yeah, those are definitely helpful, right? If you can find a good one. Yeah, sure, absolutely. I'm actually working with a couple of clients who they have internships as part of their master's program, and I do see that as beneficial. I've seen my clients grow. I've helped them get those internships. But yeah, if I had a choice between investing 10 hours this week in a Coursera course or 10 hours in finding an internship, I would definitely go towards the internship route. From like a